If your AC sounds like this, don't ignore it. Here's what it's really trying to tell you. On your outdoor unit, your air conditioner unit, your condenser, some noises you may hear could be detrimental to your system. Any type of mechanical noise that sounds like it's coming from a motor is serious. You have a compressor in there, which is the heart of your system, uses high voltage electricity. And you have a condenser fan motor in there, which is above that compressor, also uses high voltage electricity. And all of your electrical components that power and control everything are inside that unit. So any mechanical noises could be an indication of a couple things. One, the condenser fan motor has sealed bearings. Those bearings will eventually wear out and start to leak. One of the signs you want to look for as your bearings wearing out is oil on top of your compressor. If you see oil on top of your compressor, here's what I can guarantee. Your fan will fail. I just can't tell you when. If there's no oil on the compressor, if you reach in underneath the fan motor and there's oil on your hands, another sign the bearings are leaking. That is going to be a mechanical noise you're going to hear from your condenser fan motor. Another noise you could hear could be caused by an unbalanced fan blade. Fan blades can get damaged, can get bent, can get dirt accumulating on them that tend to get them out of balance. That will continue to worsen and wreak havoc. And that's why you need to have your system maintained and cleaned. Harmonics, if you hear a harmonic sound, usually you'll hear it from inside the house. You'll hear it in a wall. That could be an issue with your line set. That could be a fairly simple fix, but definitely don't ignore it. Another sound you may hear is from the indoor system. Your indoor system is a vital part of your HVAC system. So if you hear loud whining or noises coming from the component that moves the air, it's a furnace with a fan in it, air handler, or it's just an air handler for a heat pump. Again, you're looking at a fan motor, a blower motor, as we refer to it in the industry, that again, the squirrel cage, which is what moves the air that is attached to the motor, can get out of balance from buildup of dirt. Very important to have that clean. That getting out of balance will start to make some noises that just don't seem like they belong. Something to get checked out right away. Get that fan clean, replace it if necessary. Same thing with the motor. You're looking for, on the motor, any signs of oil that is telling you your bearings on that motor are failing. Stuff you can do on your own if you're slightly handy, stuff you can check out to make sure your system's operating as it should and will operate for many years trouble-free.